Hello, everybody. This is Tina with Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with the hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. And this week's prompts were you had to use a sponge, a toothpick, and a toothbrush. So I put one of my jelly prints down, and then I created on top of it. So I used the toothbrush. It's still wet, guys, so. And what I did is I just kind of painted across like this, and I didn't have many sponges, so I used a makeup sponge, and that's a makeup sponge here. Yeah, or a toothpick. I said this, Scott, my husband. We have no toothpicks. I can't find them. I had a container, but I don't. Who knows where they went? I probably got rid of them when I was going through my craft room. So what I did is I found this little thing that's got a picky kind of, and I did circles and then little dashes. And then I took the toothbrush and I took some white and I put it off to the side and I flicked it. So it did this flicking over the top. And that is my Life with Patti week 29, toothpick, sponge, and toothbrush. So I just did the background. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.